value, which we just heard our value song, which is how light or dark a color is. So the color we're doing today is purple, and we're going to start with white, and then we're going to make a tint of purple, and a tint is adding white to the color, and the color is purple. So when we add white to purple, we get a lavender color. That's the tint, is lavender. And then we're going to make regular purple, which we make with blue and red, and we're going to do a ring of regular purple. So it's white, lavender, and then regular purple. So then it's going to basically be like a moon, and then it's glowing through the purple sky. So that's what it's going to look like. Now, the first step is to draw our circle, and we're going to do this in stations today. So, hold on 1 second. All right, we're going to do it in stations. The first step is going to be to get a template, and you're going to go to the table that has the template, and you're going to trace that circle in the middle, all right? It doesn't need to be perfect because we're going to paint over it. Then once you're done with that, you move to the next table, and that table is going to have a thing of white paint on it. You're going to take a brush at that table out of the water. You're going to swipe once, leave a little bit of water on that, and you're going to get some white. You're going to roll your brush in the white, and then you're going to come around and you're going to draw with the paintbrush right on where your pencil circle is. Okay, so you first drew your circle in pencil, and now you're kind of outlining it with the white paint. Once it's outlined, we're going to take white and fill in that whole moon, that whole circle. All right, this is our moon. And it's okay if it's not perfect, if there's a little bit of purple showing through. That's just going to make the moon look like there's little kind of purple spots on the moon. That's okay. That's going to look good. All right. Once you have it, you're going to put your paintbrush back in the water and leave it for the next person to come to that table. Okay. Then you're going to go to the next table. When you get to the next table, you'll pull your paintbrush out of the water, swipe once. Remember, we don't ever flick like this. We always just swipe the side. And there's going to be, the next table is going to have lavender. It's a light purple. We're going to swirl our brush in the lavender, and we're going to go to our white circle, and we're going to go all around it. So I'm pressing my brush down flat until it's all the way flat, okay? And I'm going around it. So none of this, no tiny little brush strokes like this. We press it down and we swoop it around. And I'm gonna do that so it's about 2 or 3 fingers wide. So I'm gonna go maybe 2 circles around the moon, all right? 2 circles. So it's gonna be pretty big, you guys. It's touching at the top of the page, and it's touching at the bottom of the page. So all we have are the sides left. Then I'm going to put my brush in my water and leave it for the next table. All right? Then I'm going to pick up my paper with both hands, carry it to the dark purple table. Okay? So then we're going to take our brush out of the water at the dark purple table, and we're going to roll it in the dark purple. All right? And we're going to skip a little bit. We want to leave this lighter purple, the paper, and we're only going to go to the corner and just paint little triangles in the corner. See how I'm leaving a little space of regular purple? Okay, so now it looks like my moon is going from white to light purple to regular purple to dark purple. Once you've done that, you put your brush in the water. You take your gorgeous, gorgeous painting, and you're going to put it in the drying rack and let it dry.